Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I made this delicious, healthy beetroot and apple salad. I'll be roasting the beetroots, so I've already preheated the oven to 180 Celsius. I've given the beetroot a good wash and I'm just going to trim the ends. So I've cut some tin foil and I'll just rub the beetroot in some olive oil and I'll roast for about 50 minutes. After 50 minutes, I take them out the oven. The knife runs through smoothly. They're nice and soft, so I'll leave them to cool down. So I'm just quickly grating one carrot. And to the carrot, I'll add half of a finely chopped red onion. Now that they're cold, I'll peel the skin off the beetroot. The skin comes away easily. And now I'll just chop them into medium-sized pieces. I'll add one chopped green apple. And a red apple as well. So here I'm adding 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of honey. And I'll add 3 big heaps of plain yogurt. And just give everything a really good mix. So there it is, easy and delicious beetroot and apple salad. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. For more delicious recipes like this, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take good care of yourselves and I'll see you in the next one.